So in this video we can see here different types of console.log means prints. So here we can see highlight the critical information and organize related logs and visualize the data in a cleaner format. So we can now see. So we can see here a normal console.log for print. So we can see here the informational message that aren't warning or errors. So we can display the result, the message with an information style. So we can see here console.log error to print fail to fetch. So in this console.error we use for login critical error that need immediately attention. For display the result and error style with a red background or icon. After that we can see here the console.warn to we can use for the to highlight potential issue that don't require immediately action. To display the result a warning style with a yellow background or icon in most of the browsers. So now we can see here console.log for the displaying the tabular data or objects in a easy to read table format. For the render the result a table in the console with rows and columns